tired of manually editing files one by one? What if you could update thousands of files all at once with a single click? Introducing the Search and Replace utility, a powerful standalone tool for Windows 10 and 11. Whether you're a web, Salesforce, or IT developer, an SEO specialist, or a data analyst, this utility will change the way you work. No more waiting for heavy Office apps to load just to edit a CSV or text file. This tool handles it directly. Need to update a function name, date, or email address across your entire project? Just point the tool at your directory, enter your text, and let it do the work by replacing all the text in your specified files and directory. It supports 30 file formats like text, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, Salesforce files, and even SQL. Plus, with powerful features like regular expression support, subdirectory searching, and file masking, you have complete control. You can even set an optional backup directory for peace of mind. Stop working harder and start working faster. Get your copy today and make data management effortless. Check the link in the description to download the Search and Replace utility. Thanks for watching.